students and working accountants. Welcome to my Smart Tally Player YouTube channel. My name is Babu Rao from Hyderabad. Before entering into our topic today, an advice to you. So if you want to learn Tally Player, GST, TDS, TCS, everything thoroughly, gaining expert knowledge and become expert accountant, please follow all my videos in the same order as one by one. I give the serial number also as per the same serial number, the same number, in the same order. You follow them, practice them, and then you will get a very good knowledge. You get expert knowledge and you will become expert accountant. And the next thing is, everyone visiting my video, please subscribe to my channel. Only if they have not already done. Because if already you have subscribed, you cannot subscribe again. So only once only. And then click the bell icon and select all option. You'll get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel. And share my channel, Smart Tally Player, with all your friends, as well as anyone, students or working accountants, who want to learn Tally Player, GST, TDS, CCS, everything you want to learn, you share with them also. And while watching this video, please watch every video till the end. Don't skip in the middle. If you skip in the middle, you will understand only the theory you will know, and the practical portion, how to implement that topic, that how to work with the Tally Player, the practical work you cannot understand. Okay, so please see the video, every video till the end. Watch every video till the end. And after watching the video, just you like my video by clicking thumb icon. And at the end, below the comment, description section, there is comment box is there. In this comments, you please don't forget to post your comment, that your idea about the video, any problem or anything you cannot understand. So everything you post in the comment section. Definitely don't forget to post the comment. And the other one is, see this all the videos in my channel is completely free. You can see the videos any number of times, whatever you can see. You can learn well. It's completely free. But in addition to this, I am taking the online classes also. But the online classes are not free, they are paid. So if you are interested, anybody interested in joining the online classes, you please send your details like your name, place, qualification, what you work, what you do, all the details to me to register your names. And I will call you and I will let you know when the batch is starting, and you can join the classes. And for sending the message details, so my contact details are available in the about section in this channel. So the mobile number and email address is available. You can send the details through email, or you can send through mobile. Don't call, please send through WhatsApp message only. Then I will call you. I will let you know about the date of starting the new batch. Okay. So now we will enter into our topic. Today, our topic is, so yesterday we did bill to ship to model. That is, when you sell the goods to one person, we will bill in his name. And if that person want us to deliver the goods at some other place, that is his own place or to other customers or anything, we will deliver them in the other place. If you do like that, the other place, the delivery address also should be mentioned in the invoice. Otherwise, you cannot supply, deliver the goods at other place. If you are supplying to the seller itself, buyer itself, in such a case, the other address is not required. But even if there is other address, there is no problem. That is called bill to ship to model. Billing to the buyer, shipping means delivering to another address. The person is consigned. So billing to buyer, shipping to consigned. That is the model. Just a little similar to that. Now we will take up multiple addresses or GSTIN of parties. That is, first of all, I will tell about multiple addresses of our company. Multiple addresses of our company means, here. This is multiple addresses of our company, because our company may have more than one address, or we may have more than a branch in some other states also. How to record all these addresses in our book? I mean, in the tally. The tally, when you are creating the that we will enter into that. That is one. Another one is our parties, that is debtors, creditors. They also may have many addresses, or many addresses they may have, and if the addresses are within the state, so the GST number will be the same. If the addresses are in some other state, the GST numbers also will be different. How to record multiple addresses of our company as well as multiple addresses and the GST numbers of the parties also. This is our topic today. So now we will enter into this. Now here, this is our company Smart Tally Print. So our company address is available here in the company alteration section. That is here, the name of the company and address, all other details are available in this page. And if we go to F11, so come to the taxation division, taxation features, there is yes, that is goods and services tax. If you enter that, the type of registration, regular, composition, all these things. So type of registration as well as GST number will be available here. So one address is available, one GST number is available. But if you have many addresses or many branches also, we have these are other addresses in some other state also, then how to record them? As per the GST Act, when the address which you give while registration is called the principal place of business, the address of the main business, principal place or main place of the business is called principal place of business. So we register with that principal of business, and with the same address, we create our company in Tally Print with the same address. Okay. But in that, and if you have addresses, many other addresses, all these addresses are called additional place of business. Additional place of business. All the addresses of the additional places of business also should be entered in the GST portal. It will be uploaded in the GST portal. There is one thing, additional place of name, principal place of business, additional place of business are also to be uploaded or given in the GST portal, GST registration. Similarly, those addresses also, how to record those multiple addresses in our Tally Print. That is our problem today. So here we go to F11 features and come at the end, accounting features, inventory features, taxation features, online access, and I leave that up. Come to the end, the other features, enable multiple addresses, make it yes. If you make it yes and click that, the address which we registered in the GST as well as the same address given in the Tally Print when you are creating this company, that will be shown. It is called principal place of business. In this case, it is called primary address also. So if you just click enter, it will show address type is primary. This is the main primary means main. This is the main address, that is which we registered in the GST is called the primary address, or that is the principal place of business is called in the GST. Okay, so the company name, address type is primary, so the same address. So if we enter this, so it will show the address, whatever address details are given, the same all the addresses will be, all the details will be displayed here. Okay, and I save this with all the, not that you can give all the details here. Save this, and again it will go to the second line. So next address, where you have, so address type, what is the address type? Branch or office, like that. You can say, for example, Chennai branch. Simply you can say Chennai. So Chennai. So for the Chennai office, what is that as mailing name? The same name. Smart Tally Print, name of the company. Mailing name and address, for example, Nagar, Chennai, and pin code will be 6,17,000. 6,17,000. Then phone number, everything you can give. And this is the address. And again, one more is there. Suppose Vijayawada. We have in Vijayawada one number. So mailing address, mailing name, the same thing, smart, tally, prime, and address, Vijayawada, Vijayawada. For example, Gandhi Nagar, Gandhi Nagar, Gandhi Nagar, Vijayawada. Okay, pin number it will 524, something will be there, and all the details will be given. So this is also saved. And again, if you have that, you can give, otherwise just you can save it by clicking Control A. So that is completed. And now this is also, this window is accepted. So now all the addresses are recorded. So okay. So whenever you want to see, you go to F12, you come to multiple addresses. If you come to that multiple addresses, if you click that, all this will be available. So that address will be shown. It will be available. And Chennai, that will be available. And Vijayawada, that will be available. Even in the same state, primary, it is in Hyderabad. And that is, again, it is the same state. If you got many addresses also. The next one is, for example, this is primary. And we can give it as here, name, address. You can give it as showroom and address. And next again, one more. Again, this is factory. You can give it as factory, or here factory and the address. Like this, we can give all the addresses even within the state also. Okay. So this is okay. This is completed. So F11 completed. Now, because since you are giving here enable multiple addresses, so it will enable the multiple addresses for our party also. So for example, we'll go to our party. So for example, we go to ledger. See here, Ranga computer, Ramba computer. So here the address is showroom at Kokatipalli, the address and number, everything is given. Okay. When you are creating a party, so we will create, how we will create, give the number, the name of the party, then debtor or creditor, then address, everything we will give. We will give. And for existing party means, new party means, we go to create or alter also we can create. Ledger we created. And then here, ledger, here we can create the new party. If it is already available, it will be available here. So you can see here or create a new party. So this you can see here already address is given. Okay. So after this address, there is one PIN code. It is 5,72,000 for example. And after that, there is one cut because we enable the multiple, allow multiple mailing addresses option. So because of that, here it is set or alter multiple mailing details. Set or alter multiple mailing details. More than one mailing addresses details will be given. Okay. So if you have that like that, give it yes. If you give yes, so this is the first business, first address. It is called as factory or something. It is what we call it as showroom. We can get showroom, and here showroom. This is showroom, and then next one, this is not showroom. This is the showroom, and then we have, for example, factory address. So factory, Bollara, Medak district, Telangana, and here for that the address within the same state, the regular type, the registration type, and GST number, everything 36, same Telangana. So with this 36, we can give. And next one, there is one branch in IP. So you can give it as address type, AP branch. In the AP branch, you can give all the details and regular, and the number is 37, starts with 37. 37 is the state code. With that, give the GST number. So address you are giving, GST number you are giving. Again, suppose Chennai you have, so you can give it as MS batch, or you can give as Chennai branch. Chennai branch. So you can give the Chennai branch, Mount Road, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and regular. That is type of registration. Then starts with 33 and the remaining part. So like this, you can do STASA. If you have completed, then just enter and save it and give the details here. This is given other details. And for this, we'll give this regular and this number in Telangana. That is the main number. And all this will create it. So here, see, instead of this, we can do another thing. See here, we are creating Ranga computer. In this Ranga computer, we created all the addresses in the same ledger. In the same ledger, we created all in one. In one ledger, we created many addresses. That means for each address, we can open a separate account. We can create a separate account for each address, but with the same name, you can create more. That's why at the end of the name, we can give some indication. Ranga Computer bracket showroom, Ranga Computer factory, Ranga Computer Chennai, Ranga Computer Vijayawada. Like that, you have to give. Then we can create many accounts, and we have to. There will be many companies for making the entries. Instead of that, now in this case, all the addresses will be available in the same one ledger. So when you are making entries, you can make the entry to any branch or any address. Okay. So here, I will show you how to make the entry. So go to voucher, we are making sales, 17 we are giving. Okay. So first one is party name. So Ranga Computer I am giving. So if you give Ranga Computer, dispatch details, okay, over. And then in the party details, only one address will be shown. But here, address type, that is the name of the person that is billed to buyer. And then go to address type, then it will show this is the primary address. So it is showing primary, and all other addresses on the table, address list. So list of address types, it will show primary. This is primary, showing primary of AP branch, Chennai branch, factory, everything is showing. So if you want to bill to this main office, so just go to this, save this, and make the entry, sales, make the entry. Or if you want to make the bill in some other case, so go to primary, so you select AP branch. So if you select AP branch and click, so details given for the AP branch, all the address and number, everything, so it will be displayed. So here, see if you click that, AP branch, Ranga Computer, name is same thing, Labbipet, Vijayawada, AP, Andhra Pradesh, regular, the number will be there, and the place of supply is Andhra Pradesh, because if you are preparing the bill, raising the bill for this branch, so the place of supply is Vijayawada, then you have to charge interstate supply, means it is another state. We will have to charge IGST. So we are entering the bill in the same account, that is in the same ledger, but address is different. So it is interstate supply, because place of supply is on the place. Interstate supply. So we have to select that. For example, in this case, so we have selected, then what you are selling, for example, you are selling Sony TV 20 inches, and you are telling 20 numbers, and if it is 25,000, so 25,000, it will be 5 lakhs. Okay. So if there is another item, you can enter, otherwise go down. Now we have to give the tax. So Ranga Computers in Hyderabad, every time we used to make GST, CGST. But if you take CGST to give, it will not accept, it will not give the money, it will not calculate, because the entry which you are now making is to AP branch. So here you have to get IGST. To make IGST, it will take. So like this, you have to make the entries. Okay. So you have to make the entries like this, because again, if you make Ranga Computer, okay, this time if you go to factory means in the same area, in the same state. Here in the same state, see, Bollaram, this is also in Telangana only. So in this case, if you sell something, billing in their name, but generally for other addresses in the same name, because we may give bill to ship to. In that case, we can supply to them. Otherwise, in their name, we will bill, means we will supply to them. Okay, because if there is so directly we are billing in their with their address, directly we can supply to them. So we are not bothered about the head office. Your billing address is that is the billing address. So no problem. We can go and supply here. What we are supplying here, for example, something we are supplying mouses, something we are supplying. We have 50. We are supplying. Okay, 50. Each one is 100 rupees, 5,000 rupees. So here is the same state. So we have to do CGST, GST. Okay, like this we have to supply. So we can select the concerned address where you want to bill. Similarly, while purchasing also the same thing. While purchasing also, for example, purchasing means F9. We'll take purchases F9. Here, invoice number, for example, 100. Purchasing 100. We are purchasing from the same thing which are address given. So run same run computers. We are purchasing. For example, don't forget about this. It's not a data, it's a data. Purchasing. So here, now come to, we are purchasing from Chennai branch. So that's Chennai. So all the details of the Chennai branch will get, and purchases we are making. What you are purchasing, for example, Oppo phones you are purchasing. So Oppo phones, 20 you are purchasing, each one is 12,000, you will have 40,000. So this is purchased from Chennai branch. So we have to charge IGST because it is the place of supply is when you are purchasing, no place of supply is Telangana. The branch is, I mean, we are purchasing from Chennai. Chennai we are purchasing, but place of Telangana is, place of supply is Telangana. So different state that take IGST. Like this you can take. But suppose if you are purchasing from the same state, then you have to pay only CGST, HGST. So this is how different, I mean, multiple addresses of our company, how to record, and multiple addresses and GST numbers also. In the same state, same GST number. In other states, GST number also will change. Within the state, only address will change. Outside the state, addresses as well as GST number also will change, but name will be same. Okay, this is about the multiple addresses of our company as well as multiple ledgers of this one. Okay, so this is the thing. So we completed all this, and tomorrow in the next video we will take up free samples accounting and sale and approval or return basis. Free samples means already we know buy one get one. In that free items you are giving free items along with some other offer material, some other goods. We are offering extra free item or gift. So that is we are separately we are showing. In this case, free samples accounting means here we will give only samples. We are not giving these free with along with other goods. This is the only goods we are giving as free samples, just like medicines or some new products introduced. We will go to the shop and we will give some items free of cost. We will not take them back. We will not take them back. We will not collect any money for that. We will not bill that. Just we will give only simple, I mean, sample free of samples. The free samples how to enter. Only free samples. There is no other material. The material not free with others. This is only samples giving free of cost. How to enter that already we know. The same thing we have to do here. Free samples accounting. And another one is sale on approval or return basis. Sale on approval means we send the goods to the parties, buyers, but we are not selling to them. Just sending them. Just you will see this. If you see the material, if you like the material, you can approve. Then only we will collect the cash. We will raise the sales invoice. We will not raise invoice now. We are giving the material. See the material, use the material. If you approve that, then we will raise the invoice, sales invoice. If you don't like, return them back. So simply giving, use it, then I will bill the. If you like, we will bill the amount, that is, we will raise the bill. If you don't like, return them. So if you like, you take some part of the quantity, and for that quantity you approved, we will raise the bill, and the balance is returned. Like this. This is called sale on approval. On approval only it is sale. We raise the bill. Otherwise, we return. Because this is how we do. This we will take up in the next video. So with this, our topic today is completed. And I told you, as I told already, so follow the videos carefully. You want to join the online classes, and carefully in the same order, you follow this with all the videos in this channel. Get expert knowledge, become expert accountants. I hope you'll become expert accountants. I wish all the best to all the students, all the persons who are watching these videos. Thank you. Bye.